The departments of microbiology and biotechnology are two major departments of Sister Nivedita University. The main thrust area for these studies are research and further higher academics.
We offer BSc, MSc and also PhD courses in microbiology, and all these courses are UGC approved. I would like to mention that we have many high-end research facilities, and we provide research facilities for our students starting from their first year of BSc. And also I would like to mention that our students are publishing their scientific work in international journals and international conferences starting from their second year of BSc. And also we have collaboration with many national and international universities. We have sent our students for their PhD program in Okayama University, Japan, and our students are getting placed in many industries, and also they are pursuing their higher education in Indian and foreign universities.
We have eminent faculty members in all the biology related fields, and the faculty members help their students in all their academic problems, and that is why our students are doing so well in their future. I just want to mention that from the previous pass out batches, 2 of our PG students has already got their chance to carry out research as a research scientist in Burdwan Medical College and another in Tripura University. From these undergraduate batch, already 2 of the students have qualified the GATE examination, and one of the students has cracked the IIT JAM.